In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can contact DoorDash customer service. You can directly talk to the DoorDash customer service in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in DoorDash/help. Tap on this first website right here, which is the official customer support site of DoorDash. You can either select among these frequently related questions or just tap right here to chat with the DoorDash customer support. If you're having an emergency, you can go ahead and make a direct call to DoorDash on this number right here. They will reply to you immediately. That's how easy it is to contact DoorDash customer support. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.